Hey everyone, welcome to MetaTrend, your new hub for viral, trending, and viral clips from the USA. Today, I'm taking a bold step. I'm starting my very first YouTube channel from zero just to see if SEO strategies really work. But here's the exciting part. I've watched tons of SEO videos and channels, and I want to test if following their tips can actually help grow a fresh channel. So my plan is to find the best keywords for my video. First, I'll pick two long-tail keywords that are highly relevant. I'll combine these into a single powerful long keyword for my video title. Then, I'll add some shorter, trending keywords to widen the reach. After that, I'll analyze the top 5 keywords, both long and short, and use those to craft an optimized description. For my title, I'll mix the two long-tail keywords into a single eye-catching phrase. It'll look something like Step-by-Step YouTube Channel Creation, YouTube SEO for Beginners, 2025, combining the best keywords for maximum reach. And for the description, I'll integrate the top 5 keywords I found, both long and short, to boost searchability and relevance. Finally, I'll add the most relevant tags from Rapid Tags based on the keywords I researched. All optimized and ready. Now, I'll upload my trending clips and we wait to see if this SEO strategy can really bring views from scratch. I'll come back after 7 days to check the results. Will this SEO method actually boost my views and subscribers? Stay tuned. If you're into trending viral clips and want to learn if SEO really works, hit that subscribe button. Help me grow this channel from zero and let's see how powerful SEO can be. Thanks for watching. Remember, trending content plus smart SEO equals potential growth. See you in the next update.